This 2025 Jayco North.310 RLTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco North.310 RLTS is 13,207 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.